Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bunozi Mngube and I am your beauty blogger. Thank you so much to my returning subscribers, and if you are clicking and watching me for the first time, hopefully by the end of this video I would have convinced you to click on that subscribe button. So as you all know that I am a beauty blogger guys, and I am here with another secret on how I keep my skin so bright, beautiful, and evenly toned, and just how I keep it so radiating, you guys. So this video is my second video, 2 out of the 3 videos of my masks, the mask that I use to keep and maintain this beautiful glowing skin. If you haven't checked out my first video, I will leave the description below so that you can go click it. It is a REDCLAY mask. So today I'll be doing a turmeric, egg yolk, and Greek yogurt mask. This is a high protein mask, you guys. I love this mask so much simply because it helped me so much with having a clear and evenly toned face. I love how it feels on me, and I just like the overall benefits of it. If you know turmeric, you will know that a lot of people would say it helps with brightening your skin. It doesn't really lighten your skin, it brightens your skin. So if you have dark skin, it will literally brighten that dark skin so it looks a brighter dark skin. You know, that's what it does. So without wasting any further time, let's go into the ingredients and the benefits of this turmeric mask. So this is a 3-ingredient face mask. You can find these ingredients in your fridge and in your pantry. It is not expensive. All you need is your ground turmeric, your egg yolk. As you can see that I removed the egg whites, and I have the egg yolk only. And then I have my plain double cream yogurt. The double the better. And then the apparatus I'm going to use is this bowl, a spatula, and a teaspoon. I won't be using an electric whisk for this mask because it's going to make it too runny. So I'm just going to be using a spatula just to fold in everything together. Number 1, bring your ground turmeric. So turmeric contains a lot of antioxidants. It has a lot of anti-inflammatory components. It glows your skin. It treats acne and eczema. I love this, guys. It also brightens your skin as well. I did mention it. Second being your egg yolk. So your egg yolk contains, it's very rich in fatty acids. It's high in protein. And as I said that this is a high protein mask, it has a lot of fatty acid that moisturize your skin. It improves skin texture. It tightens your pores and removes excess oils. Third one being your plain yogurt. You can also use Greek yogurts. I don't know if it's the same thing, if your plain yogurt is your Greek yogurts, but I'm using a Parmalat brand. You can use any brand you want. I would recommend you use a double cream. So the benefits for your plain yogurts is it brightens your skin, it increases skin elasticity, it fights acne, and it has toning benefits. So a lot of people, when they're doing this turmeric mask, they add honey. I was like, no honey, I'm not going to add honey to this one. I'm just going to replace honey with the egg yolk because I want it to be high protein. Proteins have benefits of tightening your skin and getting rid of wrinkles and all of that. So I would want to have a bright, tightened skin. So yay! Let us mix things together and try it on. So now that we know all the ingredients, being your plain yogurt, your turmeric, and your egg yolk, we are gonna mix everything in this bowl. Firstly, being your plain yogurt, I'm gonna add everything in my bowl. I'll add my 1 yolk. Then with my ground turmeric, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons. 1 teaspoon, and this is the 2nd teaspoon. So I'm done mixing my mask. This is how it's supposed to look like when it's done. It's the consistency that you're looking for. Basically this yogurty texture is the consistency that you are looking for. So the measurements I gave you would amount to this. You can keep this in a refrigerator for 2 weeks, using it 2 times a week. I use it 2 times a week, and I keep it in a refrigerator for 2 weeks. And before you use it, just let it stand outside for like 10 minutes before you apply it on, because you don't want to put it on cold. It's going to take time for it to absorb into your skin. And make sure that you wash your skin before applying this. I washed my face before I started this video, so now I am just gonna apply it on my skin. So I'm gonna leave this mask on until it's dry, which I think takes about 15 minutes. So I will come back to show you how the mask looks when it's dry, so you know when to remove it. Okay, so my turmeric mask is all dried up, as you can see. Let me come closer. This is how it looks when it's dried up. It's so sticky, like I think it's the egg that's making it like so itchy. Yeah, I'm sorry to dig my nose, but it was itchy in there. Yeah, so this is how it looks. So now I am gonna go wash it off and then come back so you guys can see my face. So I just come back from washing my face. This is how my face looks after I've applied the mask. After I've taken off the mask, I'm surprised my edges are still intact. This is how my face looks. Let's dry it up. So this is how my face looks. Do you see an instant glow? You have to use a soap to get rid of all the yellowness, because turmeric is a dye. So it's gonna dye your skin and your skin is gonna look yellow. So make sure that you use your face wash. I use glycerine soap for my face. So yay! Right now I'm gonna apply this oil I bought. Pause. Resume. I bought this clay. Did I say clay, guys? Gosh, these masks are just big, like wow. I bought this coconut oil face oil. This coconut face oil. It's from Wholesome Sisters. It's hygiene and skincare. I bought it at Food Lovers Market. My mother had it before, and because it was written anti-aging and antioxidants, I was like, this is probably for people with wrinkles and I don't really have to use it on my skin. But I ran out of Zambak. Do you guys know how I put Zambak on my face? I ran out of Zambak and I was like, what I want to put on my face? So I tried this. So I'm gonna apply it to my face right now. I just put 3 drops. I just put 3 drops because it's an oil, guys. It's very oily. So I usually put this on during the day, and then I put on Zambak at night. And guys, Zambak has helped my skin. Zambak is the reason why I have the skin. And if you still don't want to use Zambak, I don't even know why you still watch my videos, because this is a Zambak girl. I missed my shirt. This is a Zambak girl. So this is it, you guys. This is my turmeric face mask. I've put it on. I've washed my face, and I've put on this coconut facial oil with peppermint, lemon, and lavender for skin and scar lightening. Thank you very much for making it to the end of this video. Please do try out this turmeric face mask. It has helped me a lot, and I know it's gonna help you too. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for the 3rd mask. Remember, this is the 2nd out of 3. So the next mask would be the activated charcoal, honey, and apple cider vinegar mask with bentonite clay. Yes. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Bye.